Yes, sir. We're grateful for your commitment to this company, and we'd like to celebrate your years of service with us. So would you like to grab some lunch?
Hola, ¿cómo está? Bien, bien. Sí, solo es que usted ordenó más tarjetas de negocio. Sí.
Cost analysis.
After taking this module, you'll be able to list resources and activities that aid employees to perform their jobs. Explain when training may be a better approach than direction. Wow, this office is running like a well-oiled machine now, isn't it?
But we still have another module to do, so I assume things are going to go wrong soon.
Don't be such a pessimist.
Oh, all right. I'm sure things will work out in the end.
Well, while we wait to find out, let's discuss Erin's most recent success using the fourth practice of exemplary leadership: enable others to act. You're a leader because you have a team. You can't do it alone, so you've got to enable your team to do their jobs, or you won't be able to do yours. Enabling others to act means helping people work together and making sure everyone is involved, which is one of Erin's values. It also means making sure everyone has the right tools to do their jobs.
That includes providing the right atmosphere, literally. The lighting and the temperature in the office or work area are very important. And beyond that, it's the leader's job to keep an eye on the morale in the office and help raise it when spirits are low. So if you provide your team with the necessary resources, equipment, raw materials, and knowledgeable teammates, you're enabling them to act.
Sometimes this requires training and direction. Training is most effective when it's given at the right time and targeted to tasks and processes. But other times, being a leader means stepping back and letting your skilled employees do what they do best. That's what Erin's doing now. Let's find out if things stay on track or if they hit a snag.
No access. I requested access days ago. What is IT up to?
Tish, you canceled shipments from Marketmania too early. The plant just isn't ready to produce that much yet.
I didn't cancel them. I sent them a timeline with product requests so they know what to send and when.
Tish, did you get those purchase orders yet?
No, we haven't changed the process yet. You still need to send purchase orders to Marketmania.
Tish, engineering's a bit upset. They want to meet with the team about new production requirements. Is everything okay?
Nope, I'm done. This is way over my head.
I knew it was too good to be true. Poor Tish.
Yes, it's not perfect, but let's revisit the last two practices. Challenge the process and enable others to act. When we challenge a process, we must expect setbacks or even failures. The key is how we handle the issues that come up. That's why the problem-solving process is a cycle. It can repeat over and over again until we get the best solution. Everything can look great on paper, but once people are involved, things can change.
True. So let's talk about Tish's problem with IT. Did Erin empower her to pursue a solution to their inventory issues? Yes, but he needed to give her the authority too. In other words, if he didn't alert IT, the production manager, purchasing, and any other affected departments of this plan, he did not fully enable her to act.
I get it. So she has the go-ahead, but others don't know it. She really can't do anything.
You got it. I like how this team is shaping up. Hopefully, Erin can help them over this hump. And that's the key. How a leader responds when things don't go well can make a big difference. Great leaders provide necessary tools and resources. Great leaders empower, define, and communicate authority.